most searched how-to questions. How do you remove rust from chrome? It's easy, and I'll show you how. If the integrity of the chrome object is still intact, like my atomic fruit bowl, there's no need to throw it away or buy an expensive cleaning solution. You just need aluminum foil and some vinegar, plus a few other common household supplies. So how does aluminum foil get rid of rust? Let's dig in and talk some science. Rust is a chemical reaction that's oxidized metal. So the cleaning goal is to un-oxidize that metal. So you could try to scrub it away, but it's best to treat the chemical reaction with another chemical reaction. We're basically trying to break up a metal-oxygen relationship by introducing the oxygen to another, more attractive substance. And oxygen likes aluminum way more than other metals. It will always swipe right when it sees aluminum. Plus, unlike other metals, aluminum is soft, so it won't scratch the surface while you're using it to clean. So you could try to use aluminum without vinegar to remove rust, but the vinegar helps speed up the process by breaking down and dissolving some of the oxidized metal. So that's a good thing. It'll take less time. So this how-to involves some common household ingredients that you might already have. The rusted object, aluminum foil, vinegar, water, a spray bottle, and 2 clean, soft cloths. So this how-to may take a few minutes if there's only a little bit of rust, but if you have a large item with more rust, the entire process could take longer. So the first step to cleaning rust away is placing the rusted item on a clean cloth. Then create a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the rusted area with the 50-50 mix. Then cut off a strip of aluminum foil that's about 2 or 3 inches wide. Rub the aluminum into the rusted area. You'll feel that the surface is becoming smoother as you rub. That means it's working. And when the surface is completely smooth and there's no rust remaining, wipe off the area with a clean cloth so that it's dry. I hope this how-to helps. If you're searching for a quick fix how-to, we would love to help. Share your questions and comments below. We will answer all of them. And check out more of my family's MyFixitUpLife tips and how-tos to help make your house into the home that you dream about.